Hello and welcome to BTW Media, your leading lead generation experts in South Africa, dedicated to connecting your business with high-quality, interested customers. Let's discover how we can help your business thrive. At BTW Media, we use advanced digital strategies to pinpoint individuals who are actively searching for products and services just like yours. Our goal is to boost your customer base effectively. And the best part is that every lead you receive from us is exclusive to your business, meaning that you won't have to share these leads with anyone else, maximizing your chances of turning each lead into a loyal customer. We offer targeted lead generation packages for a variety of services including renovations and buildings, pool and pond, tree and garden, aluminum, cleaning, solar system, gas, pest control, and business insurance services. If your business doesn't fall into one of these categories, no worries. We'll create a unique digital marketing strategy just for your niche, with different pricing to fit your specific needs. Registering with us is straightforward and easy. First, choose the lead generation package on our website that suits your business. Then click Get Started on the package to get to the registration form. Next, you'll need to enter your business information and attach the necessary documents. These include a CIPC registration certificate, a copy of your ID, a copy of the insurance certificate, if you're a tree-felling business or an insurance agent, and 2 references, recommendation letters from your recent clients about their experience with your service. These should include names and contact details. If you're a certified professional or your business is registered with bodies like the NHBRC, your NHBRC, other bodies certificate, or your professional certificate can be sent in place of the references. After submitting your form, we'll review your documents promptly and follow up with an email outlining the next steps. That's all there is to it. Joining BTW Media means not just leads, but the right leads, exclusively yours, ensuring maximum conversion potential.